Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add cash to your Cash App balance. So if you want to add cash to your Cash App balance, you have to launch the Cash App app on your device, then log in your account. Once you log in your account, then you can access your bank tab. So you can simply access your bank tab and tap on the bank icon on the home screen, then you tap on your Cash App balance will be displayed. Then once your cash account balance is displayed, then you can select add cash benefits to your account, then enter the amount you want to add. Then from there you can confirm the transaction by tap and or add to proceed. Then Cash App will prompt you to confirm the transaction using your linked payment method. With this, then if you want, you can also verify the transfer. Once you verify the transfer, the money will be added to your Cash App balance instantly or within a few minutes. You will see the update balance in the bank tab. Then once you do that, you can also use the alternative ways to add cash by just link a bank account or a debit card. So if you want to link a bank account or you want to link a debit card, just use your Cash App, then link both accounts. Then from there you can add the cash from the other account, which is your alternative account, or your debit card, then can use it to add cash to your account. You can also use the nearest participating retailers from outside. You can use the What's Green, you can use the Walmart to add cash. You can also show your Cash App barcode at the store to add a Cash App directly, and that's it. If you find this video helpful,